In this video, we are going to learn how to solve simultaneous equation using substitution method. Here we have x plus 4y equals 14 and 3x plus 2y equals 12. Now we are going to have this x plus 4y equals 14. We call this equation 1, and we also have 3x plus 2y equals 12. We call this equation 2. Now, since we are using substitution method here, we are going to consider equation 1 the best. Since x is alone, we can easily isolate x, that is making x a substitute the formula. Now, from equation 1, we are going to have that x equals 14. If you move positive 4y down here, it becomes minus 4y. Then we call this equation 3. Now, the next step, we are going to substitute the value 14 minus 4y for x in equation 2 now. Then now from equation 2, we have here 3 into, wherever you see x, we are going to substitute this value. We put 14 minus 4y, then plus 2y equals 12. Now, the next step, we are going to clear out this bracket by multiplying this number outside, which is 3, by the terms inside the bracket. And we are going to have here 3 times 14, that will give us 42. 3 times minus 4, that will give us minus 4y, that will give us minus 12y. Then plus 2y equals 12. And at this point, we are going to combine like terms. We have here 42 minus 12y plus 2y, that will give us minus 10y equals 12. Now, at this very point, we are going to collect like terms. But in that case, we are going to have this. We are going to move all number to the left hand side, and we move number with variable to the right hand side. If you are going to have here 42 minus 12, coming down here, it becomes minus 12 equals, now minus 10y, coming down here, it becomes plus 10y. And at this point, we have 42 minus 12, that will give us 30 equals 10y. Now, to get the variable y, we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by 10. We divide here by 10, divide here by 10. Then right here, 10 will eliminate 10 here, and we have that y equals here 30 divided by 10, that will give us 3. And this is the value of y. Now, to get the value of x, we are going to substitute 3 for y in equation 3 here. Recall that we have that equation 3, that x equals 14 minus 4y. When at this point, wherever you see y, we are going to substitute the value 3, and x equals 14 minus 4 into 3. Now, we multiply this out, we have that x equals 14 minus 4 times 3, that will give us 12. Therefore, x equals 14 minus 12, that will give us 2. And this is the value of x. Therefore, in summary, x equals 2 and y equals 3. And these are the possible values of x and y that will satisfy this given simultaneous equation right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have already done so, thank you so much, and ensure that you stay tuned for more interesting videos from this channel. See you in the next video.